There are very few things more exciting than being able to crack the code of being able to earn money online. Whether you're running an online store or your own website or trying to grow your online brand to sell products or services, learning how to make more money from home can transform your business and your life. This guide will cover everything you need to know on how to start making money online from home, including dozens of money making ideas virtually anyone can try. 1. Sell custom products. Product development isn't the easiest route to making money, but it's often the most rewarding, and it may not be as hard as you expect. Making custom products is popular amongst jewelry brands, fashion brands, and home decor brands, yet it expands through virtually any industry where you can make things from scratch. Some evergreen categories you could sell in are apparel and clothing. Clothing is one of those categories that seems to always be trendy. People look for clothes and accessories that match their style and personality, which can make a fashion fun and a profitable space to sell in. The market is expected to rise above $3 trillion by 2030. Home decor. Home decor is another popular sales category. People want to add personal touches to their space to make it feel cozy and enjoyable. You can sell home decor online to anyone, anywhere, at any time, while keeping overhead at a minimum. The home decor market is forecasted to reach $202 billion in 2024. Health and beauty. The beauty and personal care industry is set to reach $716 billion by 2025. You have many options in this category. You can sell skincare, cosmetics, hair care, fragrances, vegan products, and more. Grandview Research identified growing demand for men's grooming products and anti-aging products that are expected to drive the market over the coming years. Arts and entertainment. While movie box office revenue took a negative 66% dive last year, some interesting areas show impressive growth in this multi-trillion-dollar industry. Digital newspaper revenue saw a 10% increase, video game revenue saw a 6.9% lift in sales, and consumer books saw a 3.8% increase. The esports industry continues to see healthy growth in the segment, forecasted to reach $37 billion by 2024. In short, there are a lot of innovative and exciting products you could sell in the arts and entertainment industry. Food and beverage. The food and beverage industry will never die. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, the segment is projected to grow at a rate of 8.21% per year, reaching $379 billion by 2025. It's also poised for an e-commerce breakout, with up to 20% of food and beverage industry sales to be made online by 2025, a 10 times increase from 2016. Evaluating market demand and following trends is a great place to start when finding popular things to make and sell. Once you have a product, you want to start your business and set up a Shopify store with a free trial. And just like that, you're ready to start selling. 2. Create a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand refers to working with a supplier to customize white-label products with your own designs, then selling them under your own brand. Businesses can create products like hats, t-shirts, tote bags, and more. The best part? You don't have to pay for any products until after you make the sale, and the print-on-demand business is one of the most straightforward ways to make money online. When you work with a print-on-demand company, everything from printing the item to shipping is handled by the supplier. Once you set up an online store with your designs, it takes a few minutes to fulfill an order after the customer checks out. Creating a print-on-demand business is a great way to make money online for the following reasons. You can create products fast. After you design a product, you can put it up for sale on your own website in minutes. You don't have to worry about shipping. Your supplier will handle the fulfillment process. You're just responsible for providing good customer service after the sale. It's a low-risk, low-investment. It's easy to add new products to your store and test ideas since you don't hold any inventory. Your upfront business costs are minimal because you only need an online store to start. 3. Make a subscription box. A subscription business provides customers with products on a recurring basis. The subscription e-commerce market is expected to reach $478 billion by 2025, with more customers taking advantage of it each year. Research from McKinsey found that 15% of U.S. consumers have signed up for one or more subscriptions to receive products regularly. The benefits of creating a subscription box include predictable revenue. Businesses know how much money is coming in each month and can plan growth initiatives accordingly. More cash on hand. Subscription businesses ask for full payment upfront at a discounted price, which creates regular cash flow. Lower customer acquisition costs. Customers pay you on a regular basis, so you don't need to convince them to make additional one-time purchases in your store. Running a subscription business from home is a proven winner. Our research shows that 63% of founders who sold subscriptions were satisfied with business performance compared to 55% of founders who did not sell subscriptions. 4. Sell digital products. Digital products are intangible assets or pieces of media that can be sold repeatedly online. They come in the form of streamable or downloadable files such as PDFs, plugins, and templates. For example, if you're passionate about music and have experience teaching it, you can teach lessons online through your own course. Digital assets are becoming more popular because they have high profit margins. Sure, it may take some time and money to develop them, but once the media or software is made, it's not so expensive to store or deliver to customers. There's no limit to how many products you can sell. Digital products help creators scale themselves by using their expertise to create kits, printables, files, and other assets professionals can benefit from. As your online portfolio or digital products grows, you'll naturally be in a better position to make more money from your own online store. 5. Sell your creative work. It's easier than ever for creators to sell their work online, whether it's music, videos, digital art, photography, magazines, or podcasts. You can set up a digital shop and start selling with little limitation. While selling creative work sounds like a digital product, the difference is that your products are more creative ventures. They're a way to express yourself online versus satisfying a buyer's needs. Creators and artists who don't have a network or connections with galleries and PR can now make money online doing something they love. That was all from us today, folks. For more similar content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.